Sangdrba yadaba sinjak thawna singbagi mafam.
First, the top news headlines. 4 more tests positive of COVID-19 UK strand in India. Tally reaches 29. World Health Organization clears Pfizer's BioNTech's coronavirus vaccine for emergency use. And Jiribam Police celebrates first anniversary of ILP implementation. Hello and good evening. I'm ONEL Samandram giving you the Times of Manipur English News. I, on behalf of Lamjingba Group and TOMTV, wish you a very happy new year. Before we go to the main news, here is a COVID-19 awareness. As a responsible citizen, it is our duty to minimize the spread of coronavirus as much as possible. Wash your hands frequently with soap for at least 20 seconds. Using an alcohol-based sanitizer also helps keep the virus at bay. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth. Avoid stepping out unless absolutely necessary. Always wear a mask before stepping out and even in your own home in the presence of outsiders, as masks have been proven effective in containing the virus. Maintain a social distance of at least 2 meters in public places. Now the news in details. A total of 29 people in the country have now tested positive for the new UK variant of COVID-19, with 4 added to the list today, the Union Health Ministry has said. Among them, 20 people were found positive on Tuesday and Wednesday. 5 were tested positive on Thursday and 4 today. Among these 29 cases, 8 have been detected in NCDC New Delhi, 2 in IGIB New Delhi, 5 in NIV Pune, 3 in CCMB Hyderabad, 10 in Nimhans Bengaluru and 1 in NIBMG Kalyani, the ministry said. The new strand, first detected in the UK in December, has spread fresh concerns across the world, with most of the countries shutting their airspace to countries where the new strand has been found. India too has stopped flights from the UK till January 7. The new strand, which is believed to be more contagious and is potent to infect young people with no other health complications, forced several states to reimpose fresh restrictions. All UK return passengers have been tested and their samples are being genome sequenced by a consortium of 10 government labs under INSACOG, Indian SARS-CoV-2 Genome Consortia, launched by the government in the wake of the new strand. People tested positive with the mutated strand are being kept in isolation in health facilities. Contact tracing is being done for co-travelers, family contacts and others. The World Health Organization WHO today cleared Pfizer BioNTech's coronavirus vaccine for emergency use. The clearance to Pfizer's coronavirus vaccine from the WHO means early access of the shots to poorer countries already available in Europe and North America. Every country that has a drug regulatory agency will have to issue its own approval for any coronavirus vaccine, but countries with weak systems usually rely on World Health Organization to vet the shots. Now that the World Health Organization has given its approval to Pfizer's coronavirus vaccine, it means the poorer countries may get access to the shots soon. The World Health Organization said the decision to issue its first emergency use validation for a coronavirus vaccine opens the door for countries to expedite their own regulatory approval processes to import and administer the vaccine. It also said its review found the Pfizer BioNTech vaccine, which has already received clearance in the United States, Britain, the European Union and a dozen other countries, met the must-have criteria for safety and efficacy set out by World Health Organization. BioNTech Pfizer's coronavirus vaccine's requirement to be stored at ultra-frozen temperature is a big hurdle for developing countries where the required freezers and reliable electricity supply may not be available. The coronavirus vaccine by Pfizer, which is based on a novel technology that uses synthetic mRNA to activate the immune system against a virus, needs to be kept at minus 70 degrees Celsius, that is minus 94 degrees Fahrenheit or below. District Police Jiribam today observed the first anniversary of implementation of inner line permit system in Manipur at Foreigners Checkpost Gate. Adhaksha Jira Parishad Jiribam K.H. Janaki Devi, Superintendent of Police Jiribam Moirangthem Mubi Singh, Commandant 87 Battalion CRPF, Jairol Pokpi, Huidrom Premjit Maite, 2IC, 37 Assam Rifles, Kadam Tala, Lieutenant Colonel Pallav Bhagavati, Additional Deputy Commissioner, Jiribam District, Nomaithem Bankim Singh, MCS Dibong Pradhan R.K. Nobin Sana Devi, Chief Medical Officer Jiribam Dr. E. Okendra Singh, former Minister A. Biren Singh and social worker and Buddha Chandra Singh also attended the function. Speaking at the event, Adhaksha Jila Parishad Jiribam K.H. Janaki Devi said that the inner line permit system was introduced to safeguard the territorial integrity of the land of Manipur. Remembering hard work and efforts of the people for implementation of ILPS, Superintendent of Police M. Mubi Singh MPS said that ILPS permit has been issued to around 38,000 people in Jiribam. Well, it's now time for a short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Australia tour on Sony.
Live.
Australia tour on Sony.
Yes, live it is.
Watch Australia versus India live. 4 tests. 17th December to 19th January. Only on Sony Sports channels.
Admission is going on at Private Sports Academy Guwahati and Ano Football Club Guwahati. Foreign coaches will train students at the academy. Hygienic food and hostel facilities will be available at the academy, integrated with education. Those who want admission for under 13, under 15 and under 18 can contact the Academy Managing Director. Our contact number is 602-670-9279 or 7005-235-638.
Saglon Ama.
Daima, ay nagsidagi, nanggi wakal tadoge. Janabina.
Thauramasida lakliba January anigi lumidang pung 8:30 taba matamda English singani supna kunmathoigi ahanba episode oina puduna lakchiragani Brio amadi Dolly. Mipum khudimagna English singani kungi khwaidigi chanaba on screen couple ni hainariba amadi malangba thoibi hairaga khangdaba kana su leitraba guest ani asiga wari watai sabiduna apam bisai singsu khanbinaba aikhoigi number 7629943543 da call tobiro.
Kari mo kaluni. Ya batao.
Habe.
फजवी लगतगी इन्नलिम जवी नंतना थवाइनी आईगी तुमसेगी
Tom Cable की subscriber सिंग द खंगन जरी मदुदी subscriber सिंग ना channel सुना अमदी ayat अपन यावदन यंगबीनबा recharge तबियो पिजरिबा पैकेज सिंग दे basic package ता लुपा चनी अमदी अतोपा पैकेज सिंग दा लुपा चहुम यांखई चामरी अमदी चामरी यांखई पिजरी recharge तौनबगिदमक मखादा पिजरिबा खुथांग अहुम असिदगी खनबियो अहानबदा online recharge online दा recharge तौनबगिदमक tomtv.co.in दा चंगबिदुना यामना लाइबा process ता recharge तबियो अनिसुबदा distributor recharge isa isa की distributor सिंग दा monthly subscription submit तबिदुना recharge तबियो नत्रगा अहुम सुबदा office recharge उरिपोक खोसनाम लेकाय दा लेबा TOMTV की office ता लाक्तुना recharge तबियो खंगन जरिबा Tom Cable उरिपोक खोसनाम लेकाय इम्फाल एकोगी contact number 8974279099 नत्रगा 8132089758.
Welcome back. Today is the 283rd day since India implemented a nationwide lockdown to help curb the novel coronavirus pandemic. So far, India has recorded more than 1.02 crore confirmed COVID-19 cases, including 1.48 lakh deaths. A total of 98.60 lakh patients have recovered or been discharged as per the latest data from the Union Health Ministry. India's recovery rate continues to rise and now stands at 96.04%. However, there are 2.57 lakh active cases in the country. Globally, more than 8.2 crore people have been infected by the novel coronavirus and 17.9 lakh have died so far. Many countries have granted emergency use authorization for COVID-19 vaccines and have started the process of vaccinating healthcare workers and high-risk groups. India's regulator is expected to grant a similar approval soon. Imphal Municipal Corporation IMC Ward Number 21 Corporator Joy Kabui today unveiled a billboard in front of RDS High School at Palace Compound in Imphal, conveying New Year wishes to the people of Wankhai constituency. The poster was erected under the initiative of Social Welfare Minister O. Henry. It also displayed safety measures against COVID-19. Speaking at the event, Corporator Joy Kabui urged the people to take up precautionary measures against COVID-19.
Hariba bagi COVID-19 ga mari lenaba adugi matakta chahi eno bagi greetings oina Manipur praja mayamda paujal pijari adugi matakta achi piriba hoarding sigi matakta piriba contents mayam ase koi SOP se ngakna praja Manipur gi nungsiba praja mayam ngakna chapi si habigi wai achi thamjaraga sida tension jage.
Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board and Oinam constituency MLA Raishram Radhakishore Singh has extended New Year wishes to the people of the state. In his message, Radhakishore hoped that the year will strengthen the bond between various communities of the state. Radhakishore added that may the year bring prosperity, peace and a disease-free Manipur.
Yamna ing tappa shanti leiba Aikoi masen gi marakta fruit masen gi marakta machimana oibegi aseng ba I oibegi aikoi madugi mateng madugi nuksinaba amana wabada amana mateng pangba amana amagi damak lepa mahak kari toyi kari chari maruina pak irisa se khundari ba sotha horaba aikoi khwai khibitegi khar khak sotha raba maruina family sing aigi alaman sing ponam mapu aikoina angamba mateng pangbire haraga Manaba kunayama, hingminabagi mahawama, paraknabagi damakta, lamdamasigi praja sing, gamen gi maikadagi apil tozari, aikoi angam mateng pangsi, chokhatpa nungayai thaba adugumba chahiyama, loinana Manipur ama oibada aikoi khodimak daita longina se haidana agi site gi apil tozari.
Divisional Forest Officer DFO of Bishnupur, Dr. Rebecca Soibam Chanu, while conveying warm New Year greetings to the people of Manipur, appealed to all to plant more trees. She further said that one should plant trees to help curb the ecological imbalance. She wished that may the New Year bring peace and prosperity.
Soidana maki tharamsi na haibado khoigi resolution oina lomina si haidana khoigi Bishnupur Forest Division ki site gi mayamda New Year wish bizari.
Members of Kumbi Terakha Maite Presbyterian Singlup Kumbi celebrated Merry Christmas and New Year Eve at Kumbi Terakha Mission Compound yesterday. Reverend K.S. Suraj Kumar, Kumbi Municipal Council Ward Number 1 Councillor L. Rebecca and social worker Bobby James attended the celebration. Reverend Suraj Kumar conveyed his best wishes to the people on the happy occasion of New Year 2021. He also said, may the year strengthen the love and peaceful coexistence among all and make a corona-free Manipur. Well, it's now time for another short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Lamdamusida ihan hanbo oina miyamda kangla water gi 20 liter jar supna tagi lupa tara da fangan jargani. Loina half liter bottle tara mangana saba pekta supna tagi lupa humputra mangada fangan jari. Kudong chaba si factory da laktuna lobida yagani. Akupa moral gidamak lengsin bidau Kangla Water Maibo Khul Mamang Lekai Imphal is 795002. Aikogi contact number 8257888737.
Hi guys, this is Binakan. Welcome to Aura Career Launcher, a coaching institute for NEET and foundation courses.
This is the pentose sugar. This is pentose sugar. Okay, it binds with nitrogenous base as well as it binds with phosphate group or phosphoric acid. Now this structure is called nucleotide. Here is first carbon. First carbon is present here. Second carbon is here. Third carbon is here. Fourth carbon is here and fifth carbon is here.
So what are you waiting for? Join now.
Now, enjoy 20% extra on Kangla Popcorn, Kangla Milky Balls and Kangla Rings.
Kangla.
Khanghanjaba, Lamjingba Finance tagi loan lobi khiba loni singna thidoktana leiriba due EMI sing athuba matamda thidokpinaba khanghanjari. Matam chan EMI sing asi thidokpiduna miyamgi thogal matolona tauna bhona jabada mateng pangbiu. Khanghanjariba Lamjingba Finance, Nagamapal Rims Road, Imphal Amadi Uripok Branch, Imphal.
Welcome back. Citizens Welfare Association CWA yesterday organized its 5th Annual Prize Distribution 2020 for meritorious students of Kumbi Municipal Council Ward Number 9 who got through the board and council exams in 1st Division. Former Minister and Mangi Wangu Borayangbi Jila Parisad member Moirang Mayum Brojen, Kumbi Municipal Council Ward Number 9 Councillor and CWA President WC Bobichan Luang among others attended the event. A total of 23 students and players were present with award sponsors by Councillor WC Bobichan Luang. Blankets were also distributed to elders of the ward. And Mangi hoped that such program by Citizens Welfare Association will encourage students to work harder. Mizoram's COVID-19 count reached 4,216 today as 12 more people, including 8 security personnel, have tested positive for the virus, an official said. Of the 12 fresh cases, 6 cases were reported from Lunglei district, 5 from Aizol district and 1 case was reported from Kolasib district, the official said. While 10 patients have travel history, it is too uncertain how the remaining 2 patients contracted the virus, he said. The state now has 110 active cases, while 4,098 people have recovered from the virus. Of the 110 active cases, 66 are in Aizol district, 22 in Lunglei district, 8 in Longlai district, 3 in Serchep district, 5 in Kolasib district, 2 in Champai district, 3 in Hathial district and Saitul district has 1 active patient. Shaha, Mamit and Khaujal district are COVID-19 free as of now. Mizoram has also reported 8 COVID-19 fatalities so far. Over 70 assistant professors employed under Rashtriya Uchchatar Shiksha Abhiyan RUSA who have not been paid for many months will be paid soon as the centre has sanctioned over Rs 5.21 crore for salaries, media reports said. The teachers who are working in various colleges have not been paid as the centre could not sanction money. They are recruited in August 2019. Massive efforts were taken by Higher and Technical Education Minister R. Laltiangliana, who put forward the matter several times before the centre, the sources said. The centre on Wednesday last mailed a sanction order of Rs 5.21 crore for salary to the minister. Well, let's take another short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Iramdam asidasu anauba oina world class machine sizinaduna 20 steps refining eye testing gi facility phanghanjari. Leo Lamlong Excellency Opticals, Khurai Lamlong Bazaar, Tinchit Road, Imphal East.
Adom-gidamakta khudongchaba asi pijari. Adom-gi mit lemna test tawjari amasung adom-gi chanaba chunaba lens sing amadi frame singda chada kun phawgi discount pijari. Leo Lamlong Excellency Opticals, Khurai Lamlong Bazaar, Tinchit Road, Imphal East.
MS Purnima Enterprises presents Kapi International Manipuri Short Fiction Film Festival 2021, organized by IPA Films Production Manipur under the aegis of Film Forum Manipur.
COVID-19 ki chaithina sotha haliba amadi putha haliba ekhoi socio economy amadi art form sing asibu bring back to bahai ekhoi khuri ma ikham
film gi thong me ekhoi mayam si yauna putna lepminaduna COVID-19 ki mayokta kha chikna lan thengnaba mathau tari.
Join the journey of Kapi International Manipuri Short Fiction Film Festival 2021.
Welcome back. The Indian Army has appointed a Major General rank officer to head its newly created Human Rights Cell to give high priority to the observance of human rights convention and values, officials said. According to the media report, Major General Gautam Chauhan took charge as the first Additional Director General Human Rights in the Indian Army yesterday and will work under the Indian Army Vice Chief Lieutenant General S.K. Saini. The Human Rights Cell will be the nodal point to examine any human rights violation reports. Reports added that to enhance transparency and ensure investigative expertise is available to the section, an Indian Police Service officer of SSP or SP rank will be taken on deputation as per the mandate. The approval for the Human Rights Cell was given by the Ministry of Defence in August 2019, but it needed more procedural formalities till it could start functioning fully, headed by a Major General rank officer directly under the Vice Chief of Army Staff. The office will look at putting in place a more stringent mechanism to look into human rights violations. Major General Chauhan, who has been appointed as the first Additional Director General, was serving as Brigadier Operations Logistics at headquarters of the Integrated Defence Staff HQ IDS. And now we have the sports news. Manipur Cricket Association MCA today distributed uniforms and other essential items to the players and officials of Manipur cricket team participating in the upcoming senior men's T20 Said Mustaq Ali Trophy 2020-21 to be held in Chennai. The event was held at the cricket playground inside Oriental College campus. Association Honorary Secretary Singham Priyananda, Treasurer L. ONEL, Head Coach Shiv Sundar Das and office bearers attended the event. Honorary Secretary S. Priyananda expressed hope that the senior team will give their best performance in the tournament, which will be participated by 8 teams. Team coach Shiv Sundar Das said the team has already undergone proper training.
Our Manipur kids dress, ngasi akoi yentopagi tauragani. Sai Mustaq akoi sanadu group se play group se team ni pana sai team ni pani manung jida akoi match manga phangani match manga jida akoina top taragadi akoi muk qualify ogidamni.
I think last 7 days we had a camp at the stadium and preparation has been really good. I think we have a good balance side and with a lot of youngsters coming to the side and hopefully we have a good tournament in Chennai.
Assam B team, who bagged the runners-up title at 13 Junior National Soccer Futsal Championship, were felicitated at Tolenkun Football Playground this morning. Indian Soccer Futsal Federation, headquartered Gujarat, organized the championship at Khandelwal College Ground, Rajasthan. It may be mentioned that the Assam B team player Oinam Robi Kumar Singha, Moirangthem Manisana Singha, Ngangom Kanba, Sagosem Deepak Singh and Rahul Das have also been selected for the upcoming International Soccer Futsal Tournament to be held in Portugal from April 5. Assam Futsal Association Headquarter Lakhipur Joint Secretary Ngangom Brajakishore, Team Manager Maitan Kaisangbam Sonorjit Singha and members of YFC Tolenkun were felicitated during the program. Kung Fu Sports Association of Mumbai organized the first Kung Fu Sports Pro Sanda Lake selection fight in Mumbai's Ghansoli, Navi Mumbai. The selection fight was held in 2 sections, morning and evening, to avoid huge gatherings of people. A total of 18 fighters gave their best performances, while 9 winners were selected for further training to participate in the upcoming Maharashtra Championship and State Level Tournament to be held in February to March in Pune. The State Level winner will represent Maharashtra at the National Level Tournament in Manipur, scheduled for April 2021. It will also represent India in South Asian Kung Fu Tournament to be held in Bhutan in May 2021. The President of All Indian Kung Fu Federation, Sifu C.L. Lama, appreciated the organizers, Head of National Kung Fu Pro Sanda Committee, Omkar Pawar, and Executive Director and General Secretary of Kung Fu Sports Association Maharashtra, Vivek Dwivedi, for organizing the selection fight. And before we wind up the top news headlines once again. 4 more tests positive of COVID-19 UK strand in India. Tally reaches 29. World Health Organization clears Pfizer-BioNTech's coronavirus vaccine for emergency use. And Jiribam Police celebrates first anniversary of ILP implementation. That's all for now. Thank you for joining us. Keep watching Times of Manipur.